guys, this is Mansa and she is my partner Sharanya Srinivasan. We are here to explain a product called a beehive. The name of a product is a beehive, and we were inspired by the structures of the honeycomb, and we named it beehive because beehive is basically a man-made structures for the beehive. When coming to the product, this is a modular product with an aesthetic uses. So basically, this is a modular light come accent light. We've used pine wood to keep the natural aesthetic of the product. This is completely detachable product where it can all be separated individually and used in different spaces if according as per the user's desire. And this is completely sustainable and eco-friendly product as well. Um, this works well with residences, cafes, restaurants, office spaces, all that because it has both light and utility to it. Thank you.